UWB Positioning Base Station Circuit Protection Solution. TOF is based on the principle of time of flight and calculates distance by measuring the round-trip time of pulse signals. TOF is a two-way ranging technology that provides relatively accurate distance information, but signal transmission delay and error need to be considered. The advantage of TOF is that it is simple to implement and suitable for short-distance and low-precision positioning scenarios. TOF is a ranging method based on time difference. By comparing the time difference when the signal reaches each UWB positioning base station, it calculates the distance difference between the signal and each positioning base station, and draws a graph with the positioning base station as the focus and the distance difference as the length. Two hyperbolas of the axis. TOF is a one-way ranging technology that provides faster positioning speed, but factors such as multipath effects and signal interference need to be considered. The advantage of TOF is that it can realize three-dimensional spatial positioning and is suitable for positioning scenarios with high precision and high-speed requirements. However, mechanisms for dealing with multipath effects and signal interference need to be added to the algorithm. The UWB positioning system requires a stable power supply to ensure normal operation. Unstable power supply may lead to system errors or failures, affecting positioning accuracy and reliability. Appropriate circuit protection measures need to be taken to ensure the stability of power supply. Extreme situations may cause high voltage or current to appear on the power line. Appropriate protection measures need to be taken, such as installing lightning rods and using lightning-proof power supplies. Important components in the system need to be protected against static electricity and overvoltage to avoid damage. The surge protection solution recommended by Yint Electronics is suitable for 1248V DC power supply. This protection circuit can absorb and disperse overvoltage to protect the equipment in the UWB positioning base station. The protection solution for the PE power supply port includes a lightning protector and a filter capacitor. The former prevents lightning overvoltage from damaging equipment, and the latter reduces power line noise and interference. The addition of lightning protectors and filter capacitors to the Ethernet interface can prevent damage from instantaneous overvoltage, provide surge protection for PE power extraction, and reduce noise and interference on the line. It is necessary to comprehensively consider the working environment and actual needs of the Ethernet interface, select appropriate lightning protectors and filter capacitors, and configure them appropriately. Protect the Ethernet interface from transient overvoltage damage and improve the reliability and stability of data transmission. Use ultra-low capacitance TVS devices, 1PF, for electrostatic overvoltage protection to avoid damage to the wireless module. TVS equipment can quickly discharge electrostatic charges and protect wireless modules from damage by electrostatic shock. Power supply end. Positioning tags generally use a power supply scheme that charges lithium batteries through a USB port, which may produce surge current and instantaneous overvoltage. For surge current, it is recommended to use Yint Electronics overcurrent protection device, SMD1206-050 self-restoring fuse. For transient voltage suppression, Yint Electronics TVS device, ESD-SAR05, can be used to effectively protect ESD interference from the data port. At the same time, when the power is turned on, a momentary overvoltage may occur, affecting the MCU and sensor module. Therefore, transient voltage suppression is performed on the power supply terminals of the MCU and sensor modules. Wireless transceiver/Bluetooth 5.0 transceiver control end. It is recommended to use TVS for transient overvoltage protection. Signal input terminal. Mainly consider the alarm button. It is recommended to use ESD device ESD5V0D8B to suppress interference caused by human body static electricity, which may cause the alarm to be falsely triggered.